Tayal, just respond to that. There is a Muslim on this show who's saying that asserting your identity, your Muslim identity or your minority identity is not okay in India anymore. The fact is, when the farmer protests were underway, there were BJP leaders who called farmers Khalistanis. Very casually, panelists who bat for the right have come on TV shows and called their fellow Muslim panelists terrorists, very casually. Dr. Tayal, these are realities you cannot wish away. ये तो हो ही रहा है ना?
So, Shreya, for the gentleman, because you identified him not as Tanveer, but as a Muslim gentleman, so not my doing, yours. So, now, the Muslim gentleman who claims to have done immense research on Muslims has not put forward one data point. The one data point that he has come out with is that, recently there was a report of a Muslim man being murdered because he was Muslim. That is the data point. So similarly, recently we heard of an IAS officer.
Dr. Tayal.
Let me complete. Now let me complete. You've given immense amount of time to a hyperbole. Now let me complete. Recently we heard of an IAS officer who was brutally beaten up because she was a Hindu. So does that make it an anti-Hindu? No. So let me give you data now. When somebody is saying data, Muslims are feeling...
Let me give you an example before you give me data.
Oh.
Dr. Tayal, let me give you an example before you give me data. Okay. In Faridabad last week, Gau Rakshaks shot dead a young 19-year-old student. His father is on record to say, मेरे बेटे का नाम आर्यन था, गांव रक्षकों ने सोचा वो मुसलमान है इसलिए मार दिया. Actually वो था हिंदू.
So
ये भी सच्चाई है, Dr. Tayal. And Rahul Gandhi is a political opponent.
No,
right? You don't expect him to go abroad or anywhere else in India and do BJP ki Jai Jaikar and RSS ki Jai Jaikar. He will of course criticize you all. You need to take the criticism in the right spirit.
Yeah, let me speak now. You are talking about individual instances. I'm going to give you mega data. Right? To talk about what one Muslim did to somebody, one Muslim guy murdered and cut up his Hindu girlfriend into X number of parts, I'm not going to get into that. That doesn't prove anything. Now, Muslims are 14.2% of the population. In the Modi government, before the Modi government came in, they were 4.5% in government jobs. Now they are 10.5% in government jobs. Modi government is anti-Muslim. Jan Dhan Yojana, 42% accounts are Muslims. Skill India, 22.7% is Muslims. Awas Yojana, 31.3% are Muslims. Kisan Nidhi, 33% of the funds have gone to Muslims. You see that? That is data which proves how this government is working, completely secular, not divine. No, okay. Just one point I want to make, which was made by
Dr. Tayal, हाँ जल्दी बोलिए.
Which was made by the lady कि BJP को पंजाब में सीट नहीं मिली. Now Mr. Gandhi has raised a mega point. He's talking about all the minorities. They did not even touch 100. What is she talking about? Right. So if it is a plebiscite, if it is how the people feel, then this is they brought us in again.
The fact is, Dr. Tayal, Rahul Gandhi has said what he wants to. The BJP has a problem with it. Debate chalti rahegi, but he is entitled to his opinion. Is it defaming the country on foreign soil? I don't think it's defaming the country in foreign soil, but anyhow, everyone has their point of view. I have to wrap this discussion up because there are things that are happening in other states in India that I need to represent as well. So Ravneet Maan, thank you very much. Ho gaya, sir. Amrit Gill, thank you very much. And Professor Tanveer, thank you very much. We are done. There are important things, as I said, that are happening in other states in this country as well, stories that need to be reflected. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. Let me now go straight across to